G'day guys, welcome to Smoko. Now, this is a concept that I came up with over the weekend having a cup of tea. Honestly, one of my favourite smokos of all time has to be scones. Now, I'm going to do two types of scones today. I'm going to do a traditional scone, and I'm also going to do a lemonade scone with a twist. I don't have any lemonade, so I'm going to use some soda water, which is perfectly fine. I'll add a little bit of castor sugar to that, and exactly the same effect. Just won't be as sweet. I find lemonade scones are a little too sweet anyway. I mean, generally you add jam and cream to it. Now, jam is mainly sugar, so you don't need a lot of sweetness in the actual scone itself, because you've got all the sweetness in what you put in it. So I'll just add a little bit of sugar there to lift it a bit. I've got strong flour here. So this is the baker's flour. This is stuff that I use for my breads and any of my doughs. And yeah, I'll mix that up. Try and get it in the bowl. And it's probably not the one that I would have all the ingredients for when I'm, say, in the caravan or away camping, because I do have the ingredients here. All this is a true scone. So we're just going to rub. I'm going to add a little pinch of salt as well to this. 2 pinches. And when it comes to making like a scone dough or the likes of your dampers, you don't want to be kneading it. The idea with this is to just incorporate the wet ingredients at the end there, because you'll end up making yourself a very tough dough. Right, so we just want to incorporate the butter and the flour till it starts to resemble fine breadcrumbs. Right, that's all come together nicely. So from here I'm going to add the baking powder, castor sugar, get the hoo-ha together. Okay. A couple of eggs off the bed early. Best way to incorporate this is just with a knife. You sort of just cut it through. What we want to do here is just sort of roll it together. We're not actually going to knead it. We just want to make sure everything's incorporated. Just sort of smooth it out. So I want to be about 1 inch thick with our dough. Using the pizza tray here for the camp oven because it's good size. I've chucked some baking paper down, a little bit of cooking spray, just so nothing sticks, and got myself a little cutter. Now, what you try to do here, just get a little bit of flour on it before you cut. What you don't want to be doing is sitting there and cutting down like that, because it stuffs the structure on the sides there, and it gets an uneven rise. So just dip a little bit of flour around there. Just cut straight down and release. Brush a bit of milk over this. Okay, so hopefully I've got my audio sorted. I'll have to check back on that later. I've got a power bank in my pocket now to run my little microphone because it was going flat. So, whilst I've got the scone recipe 1 in the camp oven, I'll get on with the recipe 2. So I've just got some self-raising flour. I'm going to chuck in a pinch of salt. And now, when you're away camping, this is the go-to. It is by far the easiest. You can get away with 3 ingredients. You can use, 3 cups of self-raising flour, cup of cream, cup of lemonade, or soda water if you need to, beer. Like, you just need something with that carbon dioxide in it to give you the raise. So I've got a bit of raspberry soda water. I figured, well, raspberry jam, yeah, it's all right. So I've got a cup of cream in there. I've added a tablespoon of castor sugar just to give that little bit of a lift, just so it's not totally savoury. So I'll chuck that in. Nice. Now, same again, just use your knife to bring it together. What we'll do, once again, we'll chuck this out onto the flour board. Once again, we're just wanting to incorporate it. There you go, look at that. Bloody beautiful. Crap, I need gloves. Rightio, hang on. Ow, 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 right. Hot, 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 hot. Look at that. Oh, I'll tell you what, they are cooked to perfection. I'll transfer these over to here for now. Ideally, these need to be going onto a bit of a tea towel or something of the like. I don't have that here at the moment, so I'll just sit them there. Well, they can stay on display there. Bloody beautiful, right. And I'm going to chuck these mates straight back on here and I'll get these ones in. How's that for timing? Now, they feel really light as it is, so I reckon this is going to be one of those things where, for all the extra effort making them, I don't reckon they're going to be any better than these. They can go in. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can put a bit of an egg wash over the top. I'm just using a bit of milk because I don't think it's too critical. A bit of cream in there, nice. So just to show you that I have, they've gone in there nice and happy. We'll let that do its thing. Okay, so these are the lemonade slash soda scones that I've had in the camp oven now. They've been on for about 15 minutes approximately. We'll do the reveal. Voila! Now, I'm pretty unhappy with them. They look about the same as the others. Once again, I've got to get the bastards out now. They look pretty good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. There we have it. So, to my right, they are our lemonade slash soda scones. To my left is the traditional scones. Yeah, both look bloody good. One's on the right, crapload easier and quicker to make, and honestly that'd be my go-to when we're out camping, just because less time, less effort, less ingredients required. But look, we'll do a bit of a taste comparison now and take it from there. It opens up beautiful, nice and soft, as you would expect. Now, these ones have been out of the oven a bit longer, so they're going to be a little bit cooler. But look at that, pull apart perfectly. So I'll put these ones over here. I'll show them on there. Pull a couple of these apart here. First impressions, the soda scones are a lot lighter, or feel a lot lighter.
They look lighter.
Wow. What are you doing? I reckon it's tucker time as well. So, I'm going to try, now this is a base of one, so I don't know what's better, the tops or the bottoms, but anyway, it all tastes good. Oh wow. Yeah. Very light. I actually like the texture too. It's I suppose with the egg in there, that's going to help with that. Okay. So next on the agenda, lemonade. Good dear. Okay.
It's a hard one because this is what I'm used to, so...
Yeah. Honestly, you'd be hard pressed to complain about either. These two are being very well behaved here.
It's just a little, I don't know if it's egg or something in that, just add a little extra flavour where these are just, I know they're plainer and then you've got your jam and cream, yeah. I don't know, it's just something.
Now, as I say, like, you don't need the lemonade. Honestly, the lemonade is just a bit overkill, sweetness-wise. That little bit of jam on there, like perfect. And I suppose what we should do is actually do a taste test without eating the jam and cream on them. But I'm almost leaning towards the soda ones.
Yeah, I'm biased. I'm more soda.
Yeah. They're a little bit lighter. They're so super. It is super soft.
They're the lemonade.
No, so this is the lemonade.
Soda.
Lemonade, yeah. Soda. So even on their own. Yeah, look, these are the way to go. They're just super easy. Tastes awesome. These just have a little bit of structure to the dough. These are a very light and fluffy dough, just a little bit more aerated, I suppose. Oh, look, camp oven too. Like, what can't you do in them? Don't be bullying in. Right, you, Bennett, Bella. All right, So that wraps up first episode of Smoko. Hope you enjoyed it. The idea with this is going to be literally just stuff you'd like to have with a cup of tea when you're out camping, mid-afternoon, or even on your smoko break at work. Shoot any messages on what you'd like for smoko, we'll make it happen. And yeah, I appreciate you watching. So until next time, take care. I'll catch you later.